Hey everyone, Blake here from JSB Home Solutions. If you've been dreaming of transforming your kitchen into a cozy, welcoming space with a blend of rustic charm and modern functionality, then the Farmhouse kitchen style might just be what you need. Today we are diving into how you can create the perfect farmhouse kitchen that combines both beauty and practicality. A farmhouse kitchen is built on natural materials. So think wood, white quartz, and farmhouse sink. These materials bring warmth and texture to the space, creating that cozy, inviting atmosphere you will love. Whether it's reclaimed wood cabinets, beautiful quartz countertops, or vintage-inspired lighting, the farmhouse style draws from nature, making your kitchen feel earthy and organic. So, what exactly makes a kitchen farmhouse style? Well, key elements including things like open shelving, large, deep sinks, vintage lighting, and a neutral color palette, usually whites, creams, or soft pastels. This style's magic lies in its ability to be both functional and stylish, giving you a space that's practical for everyday use while maintaining that timeless charm. Farmhouse kitchens stand out not only for their beauty, but for their versatility. They combine practicality like easy-to-clean surfaces and plenty of storage with an inviting and comfortable atmosphere. The result? A kitchen that's perfect for family gatherings, casual meals, and holiday celebrations. Now, let's talk about the benefits of choosing a farmhouse kitchen for your remodel. First off, functionality. This style focuses on creating a space that works for your daily life, storage, organization, and ease of use. Next, the warmth and comfort it brings. Imagine cozy meals around a large wooden table with the glow of vintage lighting setting the perfect ambiance. Another benefit? The timeless aesthetic. Farmhouse kitchens never go out of style. They hold their charm for decades, which not only adds lasting appeal, but also boosts the resale value of your home. And let's not forget about durability. Materials like wood and stone are built to last, making your kitchen a long-term investment. So, how do you create your dream farmhouse kitchen? Well, here are a few tips to get started. Use natural materials. Incorporate wood beams, stone counters, and reclaimed wood for an earthy vibe. Opt for practical yet stylish furnishings. Choose furniture that's both durable and beautiful, like large wooden tables or classic bar stools. Add vintage or rustic accessories. Think antique scales, enamelware, or other nostalgic pieces to bring that farmhouse feel. Maximize light with open shelving. Open shelving not only keeps your kitchen airy, but it also gives you a space to display your favorite dishes and decor. Embrace neutral colors with pops of color. Stick to whites, grays, and beiges for your base, but bring in pops of color through vintage dishware, textiles, or fresh flowers. Can you start to see your vision coming to life? A farmhouse kitchen blends practicality with timeless beauty, and at JSB Home Solutions, we're here to make that dream a reality. Our design consultants are experts in transforming kitchens to match your unique vision. Ready to start your kitchen transformation? Schedule a consultation with one of our experts today. We can't wait to help you create the cozy, functional kitchen you've always dreamed of. Visit JSB Home Solutions for more information and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.